So as a business owner, I know you have big dreams, okay? But sometimes the bigger the dream, the bigger the vision, the more of a responsibility you have. So here are the 3 things that every business owner should be doing.
Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up.
Number 1, learn from your customers. Literally, learn from your customers. So as you grow your business, listening to the feedback that your customer has is super important. And every business owner needs to have a funnel of receiving that feedback. You should also be using social media to collect data and collect facts and details about your online audience. This is huge. As a social media manager, I work with a lot of my clients to actually collect insights and behaviors and feedback from their online audience, which is gold information for you. You need to listen to your customers and you need to go ahead and value their feedback because they are your customers and they matter a lot when it comes to the way you run your business. So number 1, please make sure that you are listening to your customers. Number 2, prioritize customer service. Please treat your customers like people. Yes, treat them like human beings. They have needs and sometimes they have also concerns. So please prioritize customer service when you are a business owner. Something that is so important for a business owner to succeed is having trust. You need to gain your customers' trust. And one of the best ways to do that is by having a very solid customer service procedures. Now, one of my huge recommendations is to go ahead and provide customer service through your website, through your emails, and also through your social media. And I also recommend for you to have a response time policy. My recommendation is always going to be 24 hours if you're able to, or the latest 48 hours. Now, as a social media manager, I definitely help all my clients when it comes to customer service through social media. I also go ahead and do engagement for them. I reply to any concerns they have so they don't have to worry about that. Now, before we go into tip number 3, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel, make sure you like this video, and you comment down below some of your tips that you know has made you the amazing business owner that you are. Let's hear it down below. Let's share our golden tickets, our golden tips to each other, because I know all of us here want to be the best business owner we can be. Now, with that being said, let's go to tip number 3. Stay focused in your niche, okay? Please stay focused. On social media, a lot of your niche and your customers can get easily distracted, but you should not be distracted. You need to focus on your niche. Now, if you're spreading yourself too thin, you will definitely miss on a lot of opportunities when it comes to speaking and engaging to your direct niche, which is full of your customers. Something that helps my clients really stay focused in their niche is social media. Make sure that when someone goes into your social media, it's obvious, like super obvious, who your niche is. Okay, with a lot of my clients, before they work with me, I was very unclear on who exactly was their customers. So when they decide to go ahead and work with me, I made I made sure that we made it very obvious who their niche are and that we spoiled them through our social media channels. Now, if you made it to the end, I want to go ahead and just introduce myself if you are new here, but I am a social media manager and also a business owner, and I help all my clients take off some of that responsibility that a lot of business owners have. Because yes, being a business owner myself requires so much attention, task, and responsibility that I do not take lightly. Okay, so if you're a business owner and if you need help with your social media management, and if you know that social media is such a huge tool for your online business, then it's time to invest in someone to take care of that marketing strategy and funnel for you. Okay, so if you would like to go ahead and work with me, I am definitely open, and the link in the description, I will have a place where you can apply. Also, if you want to know who your niche is on social media because you don't really know who they are, I recommend for you to go ahead and download a free worksheet that I have down below, all about how to figure out your social media customer persona, and it's going to help you understand exactly who you're speaking to when it comes to social media and the content you are creating. doing. And if you're not ready to work with a social media manager, and if you want to go ahead and do it yourself, I also have a workshop all about how to use Canva for content creation and planning, completely for free. Link in the description. And if you want to know a little bit more about what a social media manager does, go ahead and sign up for the free training on the value of a social media manager and how they can help you, because I can guarantee you all of these free resources I have for you are definitely going to put things into perspective for you, and they're going to help you. Now, with that being said, thank you very much for tuning into this video. Make sure you subscribe, you like, and you comment down below your tips when it comes to being the amazing business owner that you are, and I will see you next time. Bye.